Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Coinbase account. Coinbase is one of the most popular places for people to first buy cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. It is one of the most trusted platforms. It is not available across the entire world, so if you are in another country, you might not be able to utilize Coinbase. But for the US, I know this is definitely the most popular exchange for getting started. So I am going to give you guys a referral link. It'll be below this video. And with this referral link, it will say that I invited you to try out Coinbase. And because of that, if you buy more than $100 of Bitcoin, you get $10 of free Bitcoin. And I do as well. So I just wanted to put that out there. This is an affiliate link, but we both benefit from it versus if you just went straight to the Coinbase site and signed up there. So first you're going to start with putting in your information. I'm just going to put in some demo information here, and then once we get on the back side of this, I will go into my actual account and we'll go through some things there as well. Now, of course, after you submit this, you have to verify your email. And once you verify your email, then you'll get into where you'll have to start verifying your identity. Okay, so this is what the email looks like for verification. Go ahead and click on this. Okay, so when you've verified the email, then they're going to ask for your phone number so that they can link the account to your phone to verify transactions. I got the message and it's got a code here. Also, if you log in from a different device, they tend to prompt you to put in a code that they send you on your phone. And that's really so that nobody can hack into your account without having your phone to verify that you are who you say you are and that you can have access to this account, which is a good thing because if you have a lot of money in here, you sure don't want somebody else to be able to get into it. Now, let's go take a look at what we have left to do. So we've confirmed our email address, we've added our phone number, and now we need to add a payment method. Two things need to take place here: adding the payment method and also verifying our identity with an ID. So with regards to payment methods, you can either connect your bank account, which allows you to invest higher amounts, credit, debit card, or a wire transfer. I just did a credit debit card and it capped me out at a weekly limit. It still has, but over time that limit starts to go up more and more. And it just really depends on, I guess, your identity and who they think you are. Though they might only let you invest, say, $200 a week at the beginning, but as you invest more, your limit might go up to $1,000. I really don't know how that works individually for everybody. That's kind of how it worked for me. So obviously, whatever way you want to fund your account, you would just click on one of these. If we click on the credit debit card, we go to this screen, we enter that information, and then what happens is they actually send a deposit to either our bank account through the debit card or to our credit card statement through the credit card, depending on which one we use. And it's just a small micro deposit, but you need to verify what those amounts were, so and submit that in here so that they can prove that this is your card. So they have all these steps to go through basically to get this verified. A little bit of a pain, but once you've got it set up and everything's good to go, then it becomes really easy. Now let's go take a look at the verification. We go into settings. So to verify your identity so that you can enable the USD wallet, which you need because you're more than likely going to be funding your account with US dollars so that you can buy Bitcoin. So verify your identity. This is the information that they're going to ask for: your street address, date of birth, last 4 digits of your social, a few things like that. And once you input this information and click through to submit it, it's also going to pop up to give you an option to either upload a copy of your driver's license or photo ID, or to take a photo of it. So if you have a webcam or if you're on your phone, you can simply take a photo of it and upload it that way. Sometimes it takes a day or two for them to verify these things. Matter of fact, back in December, there were so many people signing up for Coinbase accounts that they were several weeks behind in getting accounts verified. And that's why it's important to go through these steps now, get this done, because if it does take a little while, the sooner you get it done, obviously, the sooner you get to have your account open. So that's basically it for the identity thing and for the payment method. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually purchase it once you're completely set up, verified, all that good stuff. And then how you can also transfer Bitcoin out of your account to, say, a wallet that's offline or to an exchange. So I'll see you in the next video.